Fatima Laika. I'm back to the channel. Today's my video is about Pop It, and this Pop It I buy from Amazon, and today our video about the sound of Pop It. Now we can listen the sound of Pop It. Now listen the sound, okay? Okay, this side will not came this will not came the sound because this side is thick, that's why. Small sound will come. Okay, now I will show how to pop it fast, catchy like this. This full finished. Okay, please subscribe my video and share it and comment it and like it. Thank you.